What was it that led us down the path to our first known God? And for that understanding, we have to look at things like imagination, curiosity, and empathy, and then think how those things played into our deadliest explanations in our environment, in the natural world, that we just didn't understand back in the day. For instance, animism is on the path to how we interpret God these days, and animism is a belief that spirits or souls inhabited the natural world our ancestors lived in, providing a reason for violent works of nature and other things in their world that they just didn't understand. And by the way, animism still exists today, especially if you have a name for your car. I'm just saying. Another old belief is shamanism, and the thought is shamanism derived from animism.